Hi my angels, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine. I get so many questions on this on Instagram. So if you want to see how I get my hair from this to this, then please keep watching. The first thing I do, of course, is to wash my hair, and I'm currently using the Garnier Ultimate Blends Plumping Hair Food Watermelon and Pomegranate Shampoo and Conditioner. I love that it's a vegan formula with 96% and 97% natural origin ingredients. It's made in a recyclable bottle, and there's also no silicons in these products for a more natural feel on the hair. In between my shampoo and conditioner, I always love going in with the Living Proof Frizz Intense Moisture Mask, and I find that this really helps tame my frizzy hair, and I love working on my frizz when I'm actually washing my hair. Before I go in with the hairdryer, I like getting this Bouclem curl towel. I try not to use a regular towel because that can end up making the hair looking a lot frizzier, whereas this helps kind of smooth the cuticles and give more of a frizz-free curly look. To define my natural curls in my hair, I like to use the Bumble & Bumble BB Curl Anti-Humidity Gel Oil, and I'm mixing some of the Renava Fortifying Hair Serum and making a little concoction and scrunching that up into my hair. I like to make sure I'm scrunching the product in my hair in all different directions, left, right, back, front, the lot, just to make sure I've got the product all up in my hair. I have quite a bit of hair, so I have to make sure I spend a little bit of time getting this right. Once I've got the majority of the water out of my hair, I like to diffuse my hair, and the diffuser I'm using is the Dyson diffuser. I love that this is really safe on my hair, it's less damage on my hair, and I feel like the diffuser attachment really helps bring out the curls in my hair, and I know that my hair is going to get less damage at the same time. When it comes to diffusing my hair, I keep it on a full speed and a medium heat setting, and I just really get in there and spend my time making sure that all the sections are diffused and they're getting drier. And if I feel like I need to add more product in my hair, I'll just go ahead and do that, but I just spend some time to make sure it's nice and big and curly and bouncy, and that I'm liking the way that my natural curls are coming through. So this is how my hair looks once I've diffused it. And if I feel like I have a little bit of frizz going on, then I'll add a little bit more of the Fortifying Hair Serum from Renava and the Frizz Killer Serum from Elvive, and just run that through very, very, very slightly through my hair. To keep my curls lasting for a few days, I love to sleep with it in a French braid and take it out in the morning, and they're still nice and defined and bouncy and wavy and curly. And this is how I do my curly hair routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, all the products that I've used will be linked in the description box below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. I think that's everything from me. I'm sending all of the love and light in my heart to you guys, and I will hopefully see you all soon. Bye!